In this video, I'll show you how to close or deactivate a Robinhood account step by step. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. To close a Robinhood account, start by making sure all of your funds are ready to be withdrawn. At the bottom right corner of the app, tap on your profile icon, and then go to the top left corner to open the menu. From here, navigate to your holdings, including stocks and cryptocurrencies, and sell each one. Tap on the asset you want to sell, select Trade, and then follow the prompts to sell it. Keep in mind that stock exchanges are only open Monday through Friday during business hours, so your sale may take some time to process. Once the assets are sold, the cash will appear in your buying power, located just under the main chart on your home screen. If you recently sold something, you might need to wait a few days for the funds to become fully available for withdrawal. After your buying power shows the correct amount, go back to the profile icon at the bottom right and tap the menu at the top left again. From there, select Transfers and then tap Transfer Money at the top of the screen. Your brokerage account will appear as the source of funds, and you can select the bank account where you want to send the money. Enter the amount available for withdrawal, tap Review, and confirm the transfer. Once all funds are successfully sent to your bank, return to the menu, scroll down to Settings, and at the very bottom you will find the option to deactivate account. Tap that button, follow the prompts to confirm, and your Robinhood account will be closed. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.